Yo guys, Boss Jobs nga pala nagbabalik para sa panibago na naman nating NFT game. Isang 3-dimensional immersive virtual world to guys, OBS World. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano kaganda yung kanilang gameplay. And syempre guys, pasok na pasok to sa mga car enthusiasts. Also guys, available to sa mobile, sa desktop, and sa VR, okay? At syempre, naka 3D and 2D yan. So, napakaganda ng game na to. Syempre, reviewin ko lang to. And nasa sa inyo naman kung gusto nyo mag-invest o pumasok dito. So, tandaan guys, for review content lang ito. Kagandahan dito kay OBS World, integrated to with various content and e-commerce platform while supporting cross-metaverse compatibility. Pero syempre, bago natin ipagpatuloy to, gusto ko panoorin nyo muna ang ating intro. So balik na tayo guys dito kay OBS World. So ito nga yung pinaka-website nila. Yung link nito nasa description ulit. Pwede nyo po i-click, pwede nyo i-visit, pwede kayo mag-join sa kanilang Telegram, sa kanilang Discord. Pwede nyo na ito i-download and nasa sa inyo naman guys kung pupuntahan nyo siya or sisilipin. So access nga to and available na to ngayon. So ngayon guys, silipin muna natin yung kanilang intro. Meron silang intro dito. Iyan.
Welcome to OBS World, a revolution in car culture and technology. It's a 3D metaverse that merges real-life petrol heads with Web3 enthusiasts. Come inside and let me show you around. It all started with Dimitri, a die-hard car enthusiast who gathered a community around his love for cars. His vision went far beyond collecting cars. He dreamt of a space where anyone, anywhere in the world could tap in to their passion and love for cars. This is where the OBS World takes shape, a fully immersive experience created by petrolheads for petrolheads. It's a place where the lines between the physical and the digital world blur. Meet our mascot, embodying the adrenaline, excitement, and precision that is the OBS World, a constant symbol of the fusion between human spirit and technological innovation. The OBS World is all about the community, about bringing car enthusiasts together, sharing experiences, and creating a digital automotive ecosystem like no other. The heart of the OBS World app is built to connect and inspire petrolheads. It's a place where you can keep up with the latest car news, join virtual and real events, and share your passion with others just like you from around the globe. The app lets you customize your garage, showcasing your personal NFT car collection. And then there's our NFT marketplace, a treasure trove of unique digital collectibles and experiences. Cars, garage spaces, and even tickets to exclusive events. All of these become pieces of the automotive world you can own and interact with in exciting new ways. We're not just bringing the thrill of driving to your fingertips, we're building bridges between the virtual and the real. With OBS World, we're giving every car enthusiast a chance to be a part of the global car culture. It's not just about driving or owning cars, it's about the passion, the community, the thrill of being part of something bigger than yourself. Every feature, every detail of the OBS World is designed with one goal in mind: to fuel your passion for cars, to bring car enthusiasts together, to create a global, immersive, and dynamic car culture. And this is just the beginning. We're constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the real and the virtual world. We believe that everyone should experience the automotive world, regardless of where they are. So join us. Be a part of this revolution and help shape the future of car culture. Because at OBS World, we're not just an app. We're building a community, a lifestyle, a movement. Welcome to OBS World.
So ayun guys, napakaganda naman talaga ng kanilang video at nakita nyo guys, mostly target nila mga mahihilig sa sasakyan. Pero syempre kung mahilig ka rin sa play to earn, bagay na bagay din sa inyo to guys. And sobrang dami naman kasi nilang giveaway, may mga ticket pa sila kung napapansin nyo naman. And ito, explore na nga natin yung kanilang website. Ayan nga yung car enthusiast guys, yung mga mahilig. And meron nga sila natawag na Sim Esport Racer. So hindi natin babasahin to guys. At ito yung mga proudly partnering with. Okay, mga proud kung sino yung mga partners nila. And nangunguna na dyan guys yung Porsche Club. So yung Porsche Club guys, sikat na sikat to. Pwede natin isilipin para makita nyo. Ayan. Ito guys. Okay, so Porsche Club. Ayan, so may mga magagandang sasakyan. So ayan, isa sa mga partners nila to. So ibang klase. And ito naman guys, BGA, founded by European Union. Ito, ang dami mga sikat yung nila, mga partners nila, taga ibang bansa halos lahat. So ito pa. So marami pa to guys, pwede nyo silipin lahat dyan. So what is OBS World? So pina-explain na nga kanina sa video kung napanood nyo guys. And kagandahan dito guys, sobrang dali niya nga lang laruin dahil nga available to sa mobile. Okay? So Drive to Belong. So ayan guys, meron nga silang mga avatars dito, may mga vehicles, may real estate, may motorsport, sim racing, yung parang nagda-drive kayo guys ng sasakyan, yung ano, mayroon kayong sariling manibela sa harapan nyo. Tapos may mga events pa sila guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung sim racing guys. So, from Earl to Earl. So ibig sabihin, from Earl to in real life. So, kayo na po bahala guys ha. So, ito yung kanilang roadmap. 2022 sila nag-start. So, 2022, nagkaroon na nga sila guys ng develop OBS covered community. So, nag-develop na nga sila ng community guys. Medyo lumalaki na yung community nila. Partner with racing communities, onboard initial investors. So, may mga investors na sila. Build OBS prototype, drag racing. So, nagkaroon na ng prototype ng drag racing. Environment, demo, Creamer Racing, Virtual Garage. So, 2023, launching ng kanilang private beta app. So, onboard ng beta tester, secured 100% ng pre-sale seed fund. Tapos, nagkaroon sila ng launch ng marketplace, yung nakita natin sa video. Tapos, ito, magkakaroon na nga sila ng TGE. Okay? So, private sale na rin to. Announce starts sa seed round ngayong quarter 1. So, malapit na yung kanilang TGE. So, token airdrop campaign. So, magkakaroon nga sila ng mga token airdrop. Pwede na po kayo sumali sa kanilang Telegram, Discord, para at least makasali kayo sa mga airdrop nila. So, quarter 2, ito na, dito na ilalunch guys yung kanilang OBS World. Okay? So, magkakaroon na rin ng OBS World Car Collectibles. Tapos, marketplace. Yung mga digital asset app. Ayan. So, sobrang dami guys. Sa mismong game na to ha. Ayan. Ito yung quarter 3. Hindi natin masyadong babasahin yan. So, guys, kung ako sa inyo, pasukin nyo to. Silipin nyo yung kanilang Telegram, Discord, and Twitter. So, tignan na rin natin yung Twitter nila para makita nyo guys. So, ito yung pinaka-Twitter nila. So, meron silang 11k followers and following na tayo dyan. Naghintay tayo ng mga update nila. And ito nga, meron na sila guys ng mga giveaways ng 1,000 OBS World Token. And may mga airdrop na sila. Pwede na po kayo sumali. Tapos, may Facebook page din sila. So, ngayon, sa white paper nila, punta tayo. Ayan guys, ito yung pinaka-white paper nila. So, ito yung free phase. Okay, so may features sila dito. Yung features nila guys, ito nga, yung pinakita ko sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, meron silang VR. Tapos, pwede sa mobile, pwede sa phone, pwede rin sa PC. Tapos, yung community nila, ayan. So, community guys, ito, pwede nga tayo mag-create ng sarili nating avatar, mga accessories, para mga NFTs natin. Then, ayan guys, kanya-kanyang design yan. Tapos, People's and Club, ito, hindi natin isa-isa ito, pero ang ganda, grabe, may mga club sila guys. At, club policy, club admins can set up club policies, control operation, and entry requirements. For example, managing internal events and communication, collecting fees and subscription, implementing new members, accepting rules involving quorum, votes, and recommendations. So, mandami yan guys. Hindi natin isa-isa yan dahil masyadong mahaba yan. So, may mga content so, sa community to guys community engagement to. Yan, may mga events sila. Tapos, yung kanilang sports and gaming, ayan, makikita nyo, ito yung pinaka-itsura ng game nila. Ayan. So, sa gaming, ayan, so may VR, may mobile, and syempre pwede sa PC. So, compete to earn to guys. Okay, kailangan nyo manalo para mag-earn kayo. So, may simulation racing sila, yung kiklik nyo na lang. And ito naman guys, yung kanilang mga sample event. Okay, so magkakaroon sila mga ganyang events guys para manalo kayo ng mga prizes. So, ewan ko kung magkakaroon din sila sa Pinas nito, pero sana magkaroon. Okay, so yan guys, magko-compete tayo, then possible manalo. Tapos may mga motorsport sila, and syempre, marami nag-aabang nito. So, 3D graphics, ayan. And syempre, Web3 technologies, pinagsama nila yan guys under Polygon Labs. Ayan, naka-Polygon pala to guys. Ngayon ko lang din nalaman, okay? So, marketplace, hindi pa natin masyado ilalabas dito, pero magkakaroon nga sila ng marketplace sa mismong game para makapagbenta kayo ng NFTs nyo. Siguro may mga item din sila. And syempre, user base. Okay, hindi natin babasahin yun. Okay? So, balik tayo sa kanilang website. So, ayan guys, yung info about kay OBS World. So, guys, pasukin nyo na to dahil sayang din yung opportunity. Kahit sa airdrop, sumali-sali po kayo. Okay? So, hanggang dito na yung video natin. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung bago nating NFT game. And shoutout sa inyo lahat, guys. Thank you. Good luck and God bless.